We're back. It's News Talk for this half hour. Janine Roberts joins us, and we're talking about Anjali's Army and a big event that's coming up, a tea party, and you're invited. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. It's wonderful to see you again.
Nice to have you back.
Thank you.
When is this tea party, and who do you think should go to this? Is this for the girls? Is this for the mothers only?
The tea party is August 26th, and it's from noon to 3. And it's for everyone. It's for parents, it's for adults, children. It encompasses all different ages, and there's a lot to do for everybody.
Okay, I was just going to ask you, obviously more than tea.
Yes, more than tea.
What can we expect?
You can expect food. We are going to have an auction. We're going to have raffle. We are going to have entertainment. We have this wonderful 13-year-old, Kayla McGallion, who is a wonderful singer. We have Tommy Lamont, who's a country singer. We have Deborah Ortiz that wrote a wonderful book called My Friend Zach. And she's a local author, and she will be here to actually read the book.
Oh, that's different.
Yes,
That's
it's
different.
a wonderful book.
And this is an afternoon event.
It's an afternoon event,
So
yes.
families obviously encouraged to go.
Very encouraged, and everybody in the community is welcome.
Janine, tell me about Anjali. Who is Anjali, and tell me about the Army. I love the word the Army. That's
The Army.
It's so clever.
And it's wonderful because it is an army of amazing warriors. Community, local community, all throughout the entire world. My daughter Anjali had neuroblastoma. She was diagnosed when she was 2.5. And it just shook our world upside down. And she battled this pediatric cancer for 8 months and then passed away on August 26th.
For people who don't know, what is that? Explain it to me.
Neuroblastoma, it is a pediatric cancer. It is very aggressive disease. And that's another thing I think people should know. Pediatric cancer is not rare. People think it's rare, but 1 in 330 people or children get pediatric cancer.
Wow. No, that's not rare.
And 1 in 5 die. And they're treating kids with adult chemos, adult strength. People think there's kiddie chemo, but there's no such thing as kiddie chemo. They get the full-blown chemo.
So, how did the Army develop?
The Army started at like 4 a.m. in the morning when I was alone in a hospital room with my daughter. And out of nowhere, my friend started this pairing bridge. And out of nowhere, this Army all over the world was supporting me. Over 150,000 hits.
Wow.
And we have many different pages now. And it's my supporters, Anjali's supporters, who have banded together to bring awareness to pediatric cancer and to help to get better treatment options and a cure. Very strong group, very loving. We always say big love to one another. It's an amazingly strong
It's a
group.
movement. I would definitely go as far as to call it a movement.
Yes, it is.
Really, it's impressive. Just
it's
the support that can come together for one cause. And this tea party is raising money for that cause, and you help select what the money is going to go towards. And what is it this time?
Well, I'm staying with Cookies for Kids Cancer. I love Cookies for Kids Cancer. They donate so much money to the research aspect of it. And Gretchen Holtwit is the founder. Her son Liam passed away from neuroblastoma as well. So she's a friend of mine, and she's an amazing person, and we're just in it together.
Supporting each other.
Yes, she's an amazing
Well,
woman.
thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
The details, if you're interested in going to this tea party, I say thumbs up, head over, Valentino's on the 26th. Noon to 3. Do you have to come right at noon? Come and go as you please?
I mean, you can come and go as you please. I would love for people to show up and to be able to, experience everything.
Good. It's a fundraiser. Keep that in mind. $30 at the door for the adults, $15 for the kids. Family affair. Janine, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
Janine Roberts here talking about Anjali's Army and the tea party. We're back with your full forecast for the weekend right after this.